Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll study the science of the trigonometric function in the four quadrants. Here you see the x-axis and the y-axis, which compose of four quadrants: first, second, third and fourth. The first quadrant have all the trigonometric ratio positive. In the second quadrant you see the sine and the cosec are the positive and the remaining other are negative. In third one, tan and cot are positive and others are negative. And fourth one, cos and cosec are the positive and other are negative. Now in this you have seen that whenever we move from positive integers to negative integer, we have to pass through the zero. Zero is the main part which distinguishes the positive from the negative. Here on the x it's a 0 degree. Now we have to find out the value of cos 0, and this situation we have to do the comparison between quadrant 4 and quadrant 1. On quadrant 1 the value of cos is positive, and the same on the fourth quadrant the value of cosec is same as a positive. To move from positive to positive we didn't need any zero, means the value of cos on the 0 is 1. Now on the 90 degree, when we are finding the value of cos at 90 degree, as you know, we do comparison of quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. As the all values in quadrant 1 are positive, when we do the comparison with 1, that is sec positive and other are negative, which means we have to pass through the 0 from positive to negative. As I explained the previous, that whenever we move from positive to negative we have to pass through the 0, means the value of cos on 90 degree is 0. Then we do the comparison between quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. On the quadrant 2 the value of cos is negative, and on the quadrant 3 the value of cos is negative, means in both cases the value of cos is negative, which means we do not move from negative to positive, we just need to move from negative to negative, in which we use -1, means on the 180 degree the value of cos is -1. Now we move to the 270 degree. We have to compare the 3 quadrant to the 4 quadrant, as in 3 quadrant the value of cos is negative and in 4 quadrant the value of cos is positive, which means we have to move from negative to positive. So we pass through the 0, which means the value of cos at 270 is 0. In this we are going through the rule of anti-clockwise. If we move clockwise, then the degrees will be moved in the negative. For example, if the degree is 90, so it move in the -90 degree from x-axis to the y-axis of the downward side. Then the degree 180 will be moved from -180. Then the 270 degree will be moved on the -270, and 360 degree will move in the -360.